Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Many people fail to solve this because they write 4 divided by 4 as 1 and 4 divided by 4 as 1 and then 1 divided by 1 as 1, which is the wrong answer. When the same operation repeat itself, that means this division sign, then you have to solve it from left to right and two terms at a time. So 4 divided by 4, then divided by 4, then divided by 4. So it's 1 divided by 4 divided by 4. So it becomes 1 by 4 divided by 4. Now there are two different terms, that is 1 by 4 divided by 4 and 1 by 4 multiplied by 4. When there is a multiplication sign, you can cancel out, the answer is 1. But when there is a division sign in between, then you have to follow KCF rule, which says that K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So it becomes 1 by 16. So what is the correct answer? 1 by 16, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.